Right now, artificial intelligence is consuming more electricity than ever before. Every AI chatbot response, every AI-generated image, every AI video. Behind all of it are massive data centers filled with thousands of powerful computer chips running 24 hours a day. And as AI continues to grow, one major problem is becoming impossible to ignore: power. Because the future of artificial intelligence may depend on whether humanity can generate enough electricity to sustain it. And surprisingly, some of the world's biggest technology companies are now looking at nuclear power as part of the solution. So, why does AI need so much energy? And why are companies suddenly talking about nuclear reactors again? This is why AI might need nuclear power. Modern artificial intelligence requires enormous computing power. Training advanced AI systems involves massive amounts of mathematical calculations, happening continuously across thousands of processors. These processors are usually housed inside giant data centers. Some of these facilities contain tens of thousands of GPUs operating simultaneously, and they consume staggering amounts of electricity. As AI models become larger and more advanced, their energy demands increase dramatically. A single advanced AI training run can consume huge amounts of power over weeks or even months. And once the AI is trained, the energy demand doesn't stop. The hardware is still needed every time users interact with the system. That means every AI-generated image, every chatbot question, every AI voice or video tool requires real physical infrastructure powered by electricity. And global AI usage is growing extremely fast. Tech companies are now racing to build larger and more powerful AI data centers. Entire facilities are being designed specifically for artificial intelligence workloads. But there's a problem. Power grids in many regions are already under pressure, and AI is expected to increase electricity demand even further over the next decade. Some experts believe AI could become one of the biggest drivers of future energy consumption. That has forced governments and technology companies to start asking difficult questions. Where will all this electricity come from? Renewable energy is part of the solution. Solar farms, wind turbines, hydroelectric power. Many companies are investing heavily into cleaner energy infrastructure, but renewable energy also has limitations. Solar panels only generate electricity during the day. Wind power depends on weather conditions. And AI data centers require enormous amounts of stable, continuous power 24 hours a day. That's where nuclear energy enters the conversation. Unlike solar or wind, nuclear reactors can generate massive amounts of constant electricity without interruption. And importantly, nuclear power produces very low carbon emissions during operation. For companies trying to power huge AI systems while also reducing emissions, nuclear energy is becoming increasingly attractive. Some tech companies are already exploring partnerships connected to advanced nuclear technology. Others are investing into small modular reactors, a newer type of nuclear reactor designed to be smaller, safer, and easier to deploy. Because in the future, giant AI facilities may require dedicated power sources operating around the clock, and nuclear power could help provide that stability. But nuclear energy remains controversial. Concerns about safety, radioactive waste, and construction costs still exist. Building traditional nuclear plants can take many years and cost billions of dollars. Public opinion around nuclear energy is also deeply divided in many countries. Supporters argue that nuclear power may be necessary to support future energy demand, while reducing carbon emissions. Critics believe renewable technologies and improved energy storage could eventually solve the problem without relying on nuclear reactors. But regardless of the debate, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a software issue. It's an infrastructure issue, a power issue, an industrial issue. The future of AI may depend not only on better algorithms, but on whether humanity can generate enough electricity to sustain the systems we are building. Right now, giant server farms are expanding across the world. Power grids are being upgraded, new energy projects are being planned, and governments and corporations are racing to prepare for an AI-powered future. Because behind every intelligent machine, There's an enormous physical network of chips, cooling systems, cables, and electricity making it all possible. And as artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, the global demand for energy may rise with it.